It looks like 2018 has been the year of eruptions for the Yellowstone Steamboat Geyser. It has erupted 30 times in 2018, and this now beats the 1964 record that was in place. And this is something that has been ongoing. I've reported on this many times. And the reason being is because whenever you start to see some of these anomalies take place at a supervolcano, you better pay attention. Where the ground is rising in certain areas, you have different things changing. And when you start to see things like this erupting constantly, I think you need to add that into the equation of what's going on here with this supervolcano. Now, apparently, the Geyser Times is saying eruptions have occurred just about every 7 to 8 days ever since this all kicked off on March 15th of 2018. The one that kicked off yesterday was a bit delayed. It happened 9 days after being dormant, but it shows this thing is still continuing to erupt. And does this mean that there's an imminent eruption around the corner? No. But whenever it gives off these subtle signs, like I said before, you'd be wise to pay attention to what's happening here. If this thing was to ever erupt, I'm not so sure what people are expecting to see or hear, or what kind of warning they're expecting to get where they can safely evacuate or get out of the area of this plume as it's coming across the country and potentially around the globe in the northern hemisphere. And we just had a volcanic eruption. I covered it on the other channel, and we were talking about this exact scenario the other night, surviving such an event. I'm not so sure there's a lot of people out there that have a plan for trying to survive such an event. But it would be wise, because odds of this thing erupting in our lifetime may be low, but it still could happen. And it's not just Yellowstone. There's other volcanoes in this country that could erupt and cause some chaos as well. Obviously, a lot of them situated on the western coast of the United States. But wanted to keep track of the Steamboat Geyser erupting as it's now set a new record. I'll continue to monitor the situation. We see anything change, I'll keep you guys posted. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. It's been Dabu7. Peace.